What's the difference between most of the, mostly, and almost? I'm going to use simple language and easy examples to help you better understand how to use these words. First, let's talk about most and most of. We can use most and most of to talk about a very large percent of something. Most Americans like cake. This means that there are more Americans who like cake than there are who do not like cake. Most elevators are safe. This means that the number of safe elevators is greater than the number of dangerous elevators. Most people are happy. This means that there are more happy people than unhappy people. If you limit the group by adding a determiner such as these, the, or my, then you need to add of. For example, most of these people are not happy. And if you use a pronoun such as us, you, or them, you also need to add of. However, you will hear a lot of people say of the, even when it's not necessary. You might hear someone say, most of the people in my family, even though you could just say, most people in my family, and it would mean the same thing. Now, let's look at mostly. Mostly is quite similar to most and most of. However, we usually use it to talk about how often something happens or how true something is. I speak mostly English. This means that most of the things that I say are in English. I speak English more often than I speak other languages. This information is mostly true. This means that most of the information is true, but some of it is not. I mostly go there on weekends. This means that I usually go there on weekends. I go there on weekends more often than I go there during the week. And finally, let's talk about almost. Almost is very similar to nearly. It explains that something is very close to being true or very close to happening. Let's look at some examples. This video is almost over. I only have 2 more examples. We were almost late, but we ran and we got there on time. I almost bought a motorcycle, but I decided not to. I don't expect you to understand these words 100% just from watching this video one time. However, I do hope that now they are a little bit more clear to you. And if you would like more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. Thank you for watching.